True or false? 2/3 is equal to 0.66. Well, let's divide 3 into 2 to see what it equals. 3 doesn't divide into 2, but 3 divides into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18, and you subtract. 20 minus 18 is 2. Bring down the next 0. And we have 3 goes into 20 again, 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Bring down the next 0, and we have 3 goes into 20 again, which is 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 and you see a pattern starting to emerge here. The next 0 comes down, and we keep going like this. So these 6's keep going forever. So what this means is that 2/3 is equal to 0.66666, and the 6's keep going forever. You can say like this with the 3 dots, or 0.6 with a bar over it to indicate that the 6 keeps repeating. 0.6666666, going on forever. So 2/3 does not equal 0.66. So this is false. It's approximately equal to 0.667 if you round it off to the nearest 10th, 100,000th place. Now, let's try number 12. 5/8 equals, does 5/8 equal 0.62? Long division. How many times does 8 go into 5? Let's see. 8 doesn't go into 5. Put the decimal place above here. But 8 goes into 50. 8 times 6 times 8 is 48. And if I subtract, I'm left 50 minus 48 is 2, and you bring down the 0. 8 goes into 20 twice. 2 times 8 is 16. Remainder of 4. Then we bring down another 0. And 8 goes into 40 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. Remainder of 0. So this tells us that 5/8 is equal to exactly 0.625. Not just 0.62. So once again, we have a false. 5/8 does not equal 0.62. It equals 0.625. So let's look at the next one. Number 14 says 6 is larger than 5. Well, yeah, 6 is bigger than 5. That's true. But think of it on the number line. Here's 5 on the number line, and here's 6 on the number line. If it's to the right on the number line, it's considered to be larger. 6 is bigger than 5. So this one is true. 6 is bigger than 5. Let's look on the number line for -8 and -9. -8 is to the right of -9 on the number line. They keep getting bigger as they go to the left, looking bigger. Now, because -8 is to the right of -9, -8 is bigger than -9. -8 is bigger than -9. This says -8 is smaller than -9, so this is false. -8 is bigger. 18 says 8 is bigger than 7. That's true. 8 is larger than 7. On the number line, you'd have 7 and then 8. 8 is bigger than 7. Number 20 says 0 is bigger than -1. Let's look on the number line. There's 0 and there's -1 to the left of 0. Being on the right means it's bigger. So 0 is bigger than -1. So this is true. 0 is bigger than -1. Finally, this one says -5 is bigger than 4. Well, negative numbers are always to the left of positive numbers. Let's take a look at that on the number line. If this is -5, then here's 0 somewhere, and here's 4. And 4 is bigger than -5, yes. So this last one, number 22, is also true.